Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad and we are back with another San Martin watch unboxing roll. So what is this? So basically I've chatted with my buddy Mr. Hanif. So he said, hey man, why don't we trade watches, right? So I say, oh okay, so I'll give I just trade him my Proxima Scuba Diver and he trade me this San Martin. So which one is it, right? So let's do the drum roll. Okay, so before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check today. I am wearing the Ikigai Watches Kazan Water. So an awesome little watch, not really that small, but yeah, an awesome upcoming Kickstarter brand from Malaysia, right? So very nice. And this video is just gonna be 5 minutes or 6 minutes long. So let's see what's inside and which San Martin did I went for. Boom. So immediately, so we have the you guys know this already, right? So this is the San Martin homage to the 62 mask. Of course, we're gonna have everything inside here. The warranty card, a 3-year warranty, I think, and we have those spellings and stuff. So let's get those out of the way, right? So boom and boom, and let's check out the watch itself. So immediately you can see that this is not your typical San Martin 62 mask homage. So instead it has that BSH. So what is BSH, you might ask? So it stands for Brotherhood of Submariner Homages. Okay, so apparently there is a forum group called BSH, and they somehow ask San Martin to create this particular watch for them, and yeah, here we are. Okay, so it features this I think it's 40 millimeters in diameter. Of course, I will go for the full review, full specification in the full review. 40 millimeters in diameter, 48 millimeters from lug to lug, a thickness of maybe 14 millimeters because of that super dome box sapphire crystal, and we have a 20 millimeters lug width, right? So of course 316L stainless steel, polish on the side and brush on the top, and we have this ceramic bezel insert. This one is full lume ceramic bezel insert, right? So we have those beautiful silver color dial. This one is true to the 62 mask that was created by Seiko in 1965 or 1967. I can't remember, guys. Of course, I will get through those during the full review, right? So we have your, you know what, a simple this our hands and minutes hand is referring to that particular 62 mask model, and we have this beautiful rectangular marker, and it looks like it is bent because of the reflection from the dome sapphire crystal. And we have that white date wheel because this is an NH35, a Seiko movement, right? So, and we have that beautifully signed shark logo, right? Signed crown there with San Martin shark logo, and of course we have pierced lug so that it is easy for you guys to swap out the bracelet, which is very heavy. So you can see that it has this male link. So although this is a 48 millimeters in lug to lug, but because of this male end link, it looks like it is about 52 millimeters in lug to lug. So yeah, that is why I don't think that this bracelet is for me, because it looks too big on my wrist, right? So we have a fully brushed bracelet here, but we have this polish section here which looks interesting, and we have a stamp clasp, right? So I think this is the version 1 because it is using this old style clasp, a generic style clasp. I may be wrong. So yeah, and it features I don't think it is using a screw. There's no screw pins here. It is using a big call center collar system. Anyway, so let's put it on my wrist, my 6.75 inch wrist, and see how it looks. I just show you that. I just tell you that the effective lug to lug is very long. So you can see, although the lug to lug ends here, right here, this male end links does make it look a bit too big on my wrist. So here is shot from far away, so you can see that the lug is okay, not that bad, but that that male ending. It makes the watch looks bigger than it is, right? So what do you guys think of this particular watch? So please do let me know in the comment section below. Of course, I will do a full review of this watch in 2 or 3 weeks time. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye. Okay, I forgot very important thing. Of course, I have to do the lume shot, right? So boom, yes, lume ceramic bezel insert, lume, fully lume dial there. Very nicely done. San Martin, right? So I just love how this thing looks. All right, so now we can end this video.